Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. How to treat and prevent razor burn near the vagina. Razor burn on the vagina occurs after shaving to remove hair in what's often called the bikini area. The sensitive skin of the pubic area can become irritated by using an old razor with a dull blade, shaving in the incorrect direction, shaving dry skin, or shaving too quickly or too often. /r/n/r/n razor burn on the vagina will go away on its own, assuming no other condition, like a sexually transmitted infection, or STI, is responsible for the symptoms of red skin, itching, and burning. You may want to try home remedies or over-the-counter products to relieve symptoms. /r/n/r/n This article explains how razor burn on the vagina happens and how it can be prevented. It offers ideas for razor burn treatment and prevention, along with reasons you may need to see a healthcare provider to treat other conditions that lead to symptoms similar to a razor burn. /r/n/r/n Illustration by Mira Norian for Verywell Health /r/n/r/n Razor burn, also known as razor rash, is a red, often itchy rash that can occur after shaving near the vagina. Some people prefer to remove hair from the pubic area and use a razor to do so. /r/n/r/n Besides a red and itchy rash, other symptoms of razor burn that can last for several days include /r/n/r/n Some studies note that with an increase in pubic hair removal, razor burn isn't the only issue. More people with vaginas are injuring themselves enough to require emergency care for a grooming accident. Of 11,704 people with such injuries from 2002 through 2010, 83% said the accident involved a razor blade. /r/n/r/n Razor burn can be treated by a variety of methods. Some of these include /r/n/r/n Razor bumps in the pubic area, often seen with razor burn, can be treated with over-the-counter topical corticosteroids. See a healthcare provider to discuss your options if the bumps are inflamed or chronic. /r/n/r/n If you have razor bumps or burn, stop shaving until it heals. If you must remove pubic hair, clippers that leave about 1 mm of hair are a better option. /r/n/r/n Shaving pubic hair is a fairly simple method of hair removal. That said, there is still a correct way to do it. /r/n/r/n Waxing is another method of pubic hair removal. It is a physical method of hair removal that uses hot wax to pull hair from the follicles. /r/n/r/n Side effects of waxing can include pain, red bumps, discoloration, and ingrown hairs. While uncommon, infection may also occur. You can limit the burn and other symptoms by /r/n/r/n Sugar waxing, also known as sugaring, has also become another popular form of waxing. /r/n/r/n Some other conditions may cause symptoms similar to those seen in cases of razor burn, including sexually transmitted infections, STIs, yeast infections, ingrown hair, and pubic lice. Some studies warn of an unclear said risk of STI due to the potential of skin exposure after shaving the pubic area. /r/n/r/n However, the scientific evidence is unclear and a 2019 study found no increased risk of gonorrhea or chlamydia infection, the two most common STIs in the United States, among those who groom pubic hair. /r/n/r/n STIs are infections transmitted via sex. An STI that may appear similar to razor burn is genital herpes. Genital herpes is accompanied by symptoms that razor burn is not, though, including /r/n/r/n If this is your first outbreak, you can get the above symptoms. All the following outbreaks will look similar to razor burn but will be significantly more painful and last longer. /r/n/r/n If you think your rash may be caused by herpes, talk to a healthcare provider to get a proper diagnosis and treatment. /r/n/r/n candidiasis, more commonly known as a yeast infection, is a fungal infection triggered by a type of yeast called Candida. While Candida naturally occurs on both the skin and within the body, it becomes an issue when it overgrows. /r/n/r/n A yeast infection can occur in many places throughout the body, including the vagina and vulva. A vaginal yeast infection won't give you the same symptoms as a razor burn, but a yeast skin infection of the vulva may present similarly to a razor burn. /r/n/r/n An ingrown hair is a strand of hair that grows back into the root after shaving, tweezing, or waxing. Ingrown hairs often look similar to acne but are an entirely different skin condition. /r/n/r/n Those with curly or thicker hair are more prone to having ingrown hairs. That said, there are ways to prevent ingrown hairs, such as using proper hair removal techniques including applying shaving cream, using single-blade razors, and using warm water to shave. /r/n/r/n If you have an ingrown hair, treatment options include /r/n/r/n Pubic lice, also known as crabs, is primarily spread through sexual contact. Pubic lice's main symptom is itching, caused by a reaction to the parasite's saliva. This itchiness increases in intensity as the infestation worsens. /r/n/r/n Pubic lice can be treated with a variety of topical medications. There are both over-the-counter and prescription options. /r/n/r/n Keep in mind that apart from issues surrounding razor burn on the vagina, removing hair from the pubic area, including by waxing, may actually help with a lice infection. /r/n/r/n Shaving can sometimes cause razor burn, also known as razor rash. It usually goes away within 2 to 3 days. Treating the condition by using aloe vera, applying cold compresses, and taking a break from shaving can help symptoms resolve sooner. /r/n/r/n Other conditions may have overlapping symptoms to those seen with razor burn. This includes pubic lice, ingrown hair, and some STIs. Talk to your healthcare provider if you're unsure about the cause of your particular pubic irritation. /r/n/r/n rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.